Hey there, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're serious about taking your fitness to the next level, you're going to love today's video on the top 5 coolest kitchen gadgets for 2024 that will help you stay healthy and on track. These innovative tools will make meal prepping and staying fit easier than ever. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you enjoy this video. You can also check out the links to all the featured products in the description box below. Let's get started. The fellow Stagg EKG electric gooseneck kettle is a perfect blend of minimalist design and high functionality, making it a top choice for both coffee aficionados and tea enthusiasts alike. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this gooseneck kettle not only looks sleek on your kitchen counter, but also provides exceptional durability for long-term use. If multitasking is your thing, then the Nostalgia 3-in-1 breakfast station is the ultimate kitchen gadget for you. This compact yet versatile appliance combines a coffee maker, griddle, and toaster oven in one, allowing you to prepare a full breakfast in a matter of minutes. Imagine brewing a fresh pot of coffee, frying up eggs and bacon, and toasting bread, all simultaneously, without cluttering your kitchen countertop with multiple devices. The COSORI Air Fryer is an absolute game changer in the world of healthy cooking. It's not just an air fryer. It's a 9-in-1 kitchen appliance that replaces multiple gadgets in your kitchen. With its advanced turbo blaze technology, you can cook meals lightning fast, making it perfect for busy weeknights or when you need to whip up something quick for the family. For the BBQ lovers and home chefs out there, the Meter Plus wireless smart meat thermometer is a game changer. This completely wireless thermometer uses Bluetooth 5 technology, offering an impressive 1,000 feet range in open air, making it the ultimate tool for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Whether you're using it in the kitchen, on the grill, or with a smoker, the Meter Plus takes the guesswork out of cooking meat, ensuring that you always achieve the perfect level of doneness. Topping our list is the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, an essential tool for anyone looking to improve their precision in the kitchen. Whether you're measuring ingredients for baking, monitoring your portions for weight loss, or carefully following a meal prep plan, this digital scale delivers accurate results every time. It supports up to 5 different units of measurement, including ounces, pounds, grams, milliliters, and fluid ounces, so you can customize your measurements based on the recipe you're following.